So, the Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be a serious camera beast, and if the latest leaks are true, Google might be packing its most intelligent and versatile camera system yet. While all eyes have been on AI features and performance boosts, it's the camera hardware that could steal the spotlight this year. From what we're hearing, Google is planning to take smartphone macro photography to a whole new level with the Pixel 10, thanks to a rumored dual-lens macro system. And honestly, if you're someone who's ever capturing a detailed close-up of a flower, bug, or textured surface, this feature alone might make the Pixel 10 an instant buy. Let's break it down. The Pixel 9 Pro used the wide-angle lens for macro shots. It worked. Sort of. As soon as you got within 3 to 4 centimeters of a subject, the macro mode kicked in. But lighting issues, reflections, and that clunky lens switching behavior made getting the perfect shot way harder than it should be. But here's where the Pixel 10 Pro could change everything. Google is reportedly working on a dual-stage macro mode that uses both the telephoto and wide-angle lenses. Instead of forcing you to get ultra-close, the telephoto lens could snap macro images from 10 centimeters, while the wide-angle covers the 2-centimeter range. That means better lighting, less shadow, less distortion, and way more flexibility. And here's the kicker. This could make macro actually fun again. No more awkward hand contortions or shadowy results. Just crisp, high-detail close-ups, backed by Google's Zoom Enhance AI. Zoom Enhance is already impressive, but pair it with a properly captured macro photo, and you've got something special. But macro is just one piece of the puzzle. The Pixel 10 series is expected to continue Google's lead in computational photography, best-in-class skin tones, incredible dynamic range, and now AI-powered photo editing tools that take smartphone photography into desktop territory. Google isn't just chasing numbers, it's crafting an ecosystem where hardware and AI combine for insane results. And while rivals like Samsung's S25 Ultra and Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro are pushing macro and zoom features too, Google's rumored dual-lens macro system could leapfrog them both. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.